Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. The title of our today's video is How to Send Instagram Lead Ads Lead to Discord Automatically. So I'm running a business and I'm using Instagram lead ads to promote my business, and I wish that as soon as a new lead is generated in my Instagram lead ads account, automatically an alert message should be sent to Discord to notify my team that we have received a new lead. For this, we are going to create a connection between Instagram lead ads and Discord. To create this connection without knowing any programming or coding language, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. It is an amazing automation software. So in Pabbly, we have the concept of trigger in action. For trigger, we are going to use Instagram lead ads, and for action, we are using Discord. So if you also wish to learn this process step by step, follow me through the screen. Welcome to my screen. So as you know, in this video, we are going to learn how to send Instagram lead ad leads to Discord as an alert message automatically. For this, we are going to create a connection between our Instagram lead ads and our Discord channel. To create this connection, I have opened my Instagram account, as you can see, and I have also connected my Instagram account with my Facebook page, which is this. And over here, you can see the successful connection of my account. And now using this Facebook page, I'm running ads on Instagram to generate new leads. And as you can see in my ads campaign too, I have selected the same Facebook page I have connected my Instagram account with. And in this page, we have created some lead gen forms. And I wish that as soon as someone sees my ad on their Instagram account, they'll also get an instant lead gen form in that ad. So I wish that as soon as they fill in that form, automatically my team on Discord should be notified that a new lead has been received through our Instagram lead ads. For this, I have opened the landing page of Pabbly simply by searching pabbly.com/connect in my browser. It is very easy. So as soon as you'll open the landing page of Pabbly, you will get two options. One is sign up for free and the another one is sign in. So if you are a new user, you can click on sign up for free and you'll get 100 of tasks free every month. But I'm an existing user, so I'm going to click on sign in. And now it is opening all Pabbly apps. Over here, you can see all the tools and applications offered by Pabbly. But in today's video, we are going to use Pabbly Connect because we are connecting two applications, which is Instagram lead ads and Discord. So I'm going to click on access now right over here. And now it is opening my dashboard, and to start with the automation, I'm going to click on this button right over here which says create workflow. And now it is asking me the workflow name and the folder I want to save the workflow in. So I want to save the workflow in this folder which says automations, and I want to name my workflow as send Instagram lead ads leads to Discord automatically. And now we are going to click on create. And now it is opening the most important window of our automation, that is our workflow window. This is the most important window because we have trigger in action in this. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. By this, you can understand that the trigger is the commander for the workflow and actions follow the commands. And as you know that we can have only a single commander but multiple followers. So over here, we can have only a single trigger but multiple actions following the commands of our trigger. So now we are going to select our trigger application, which would be Instagram lead ads, because I want that as soon as I receive a new lead on my Instagram lead ads, automatically my workflow should be triggered. So I'm going to search for Instagram lead ads and select it. And now for the trigger event, we are going to select new lead instant because I want that as soon as a new lead is submitted, instantly Pabbly should capture that lead. And now we are going to click on connect. And now it is asking me to add a new connection or select the existing connection. So if you have already connected your Instagram lead ads account with your Pabbly's workflow, you can click on select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, you have to click on add a new connection and then connect with Instagram lead ads. And now it is asking me to select my Facebook account. And as you know that I have already connected my Instagram account with my Facebook account, and the connection between Instagram lead ads and Pabbly Connect happens with my Facebook account only. That's why it is asking me to select my Facebook account. So I'm going to select my Facebook account and click on continue. And again, we are going to click on continue. And yes, you can see that we have successfully connected our Instagram lead ads account with our Pabbly's workflow. And now it is asking me for the name of the page and the lead gen form. So as you know, the name of our page is Peak Performance Physio. So I'm going to search for Peak Performance Physio right over here and select it. I selected this page because this page has a connection with my Instagram lead ads. And now for the lead gen forms, I'm going to select Instagram lead ads. I'm selecting this because I want only the details of the leads of this particular form should be sent as an alert message to my Discord. If you want to create this automation for all lead gen forms, you can select all lead gen forms or any another desired form. So after selecting my desired form, I'm going to go forward and click on save and send test request. And as you can see that it is saying waiting for a webhook response, and also it is saying do a test submission / record. So this means that to create a connection between our Instagram lead ads account and our Pabbly's workflow, we have to do a test submission. So as you know that my campaign is a draft campaign and it is not live. So if you are running a live campaign, you are going to get the response of your latest leads right over here. So you can wait to get the response. But if you are not running a live campaign and you don't wish to wait, we are going to submit a dummy response. So to submit that response, we are going to open a new tab and we are going to search for Meta for Developers. We are going to open Meta for Developers. And this is the landing page of Meta for Developers. From here, we are going to go on More and then Tools. And then we are going to go on Lead Ads R2 Debug Tool. And as you can see that this is the Lead Ads testing tool. So we are going to use this tool to create a test submission. So now we are going to fill in the page and the form. So as you know, the name of our page is Peak Performance Physio. So I'm going to search for it. I'm going to scroll a little and select my page. And then for the form, we are going to use Instagram lead ads. And then we are going to click on preview form. And now you can see that it is asking me for some details. So I'm going to fill in the details as first name as demo, last name as user, email as demo@pabblytudes.com, phone number as this, and the company name as Pabbly. After filling all these details, I'm going to click on next and then submit. And yes, you can see your test lead has been sent. This means that lead ads testing tool has sent the details of our lead to our workflow. So we are going to open our workflow and check that if Pabbly has captured the details or not. And yes, you can see that Pabbly has captured the response. Here's the first name that we entered, the last name, the email, and also the phone number with the company name. So this means that our trigger step is successful. And now we are moving on to our action step. For our action application, I'm going to select Discord because I want that as soon as a new lead is submitted in my Instagram lead ads account, automatically an alert message should be sent to Discord to notify my team. And for the action event, we are going to select Send Channel Message. And then we are going to click on Connect. And now you can see connected right over here, but we have to paste the webhook URL to complete this connection. So for this, we are going to open our Discord account. And then we are going to select our server. And then we are going to click on this arrow right over here and go on server settings. And from here, we are going to go on integrations and then webhooks. So as you can see over here at all the webhooks. So if you wish to create a new webhook, you can click on create new webhook right over here and create your own. But I'm going to select one from this only, which is this. And from here, we are going to open Instagram lead ads. So this is the webhook I've created for my Instagram lead ads. And as you can see that I've also selected the channel. So you have to select the channel you wish to send the message in. So after that, we are going to copy webhook URL. And then we are going to paste this in our workflow. After pasting this URL, we are going to move on forward and we are going to enter the message. So I wish the message should be this. Hello team, we have received a new lead from Instagram lead ads. Here are the details. But as you can see that I've left the name, email, phone number and company name blank right over here because I'm going to map these details. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And as you know, our previous step was the trigger step where we selected Instagram lead ads as our trigger application. So we are going to map the details from the response of our trigger application only. So I'm going to open the response and search for name right over here. And as you can see the first name, so we are going to map this, put a space and then map the last name. We are going to do same for the email too. I'm going to search for email right over here, map the email. Same for the phone number. I'm going to search for phone number right over here and map the phone number. And same for the company name. We are going to search for name again and map the company name. So after mapping all these details, now these details have turned dynamic and these details will change with every new form submitted. So now my workflow is ready to run in real time. So we are going to move on forward and now we are going to enter the bot name. So I want the bot name to be new lead received. And then for the bot icon, I'm going to leave it as blank. If you wish, you can also enter a bot icon URL right over here. After filling in all the required details, I'm going to click on save and send test request. And yes, you can see HTTP status code 204. This means that we have received a positive response and our details have been sent as a channel message on our Discord. So we are going to open our Discord and check that if we have received a message or not. And yes, you can see hello team, we have received a new lead from Instagram lead ads. Over here are the details, name, email, phone number, company name. are the same details that we entered in our workflow. This means that our workflow is successful, but I'll just try the workflow once, and this time I'm going to give you a real-time example. So we are going to open our lead ads testing tool, delete the previous lead and refresh the page. It is really important to delete the previous lead and refresh the page, otherwise you'll not be able to create a new lead or preview the new form. Again, we are going to select our page, which is Peak Performance by Physio, and for the form we are going to select Instagram lead ads. And then we are going to click on preview form. Again, we are going to enter the test details. So for the first name, I'm going to keep it as test, last name as user, email as test@pabblytudes.com, phone number as this, and the company name as Pabbly Connect this time. So after entering all these details, I'm going to click on next and then submit. So as you can see that it is saying your test lead has been sent again. This means that lead ads testing tool has sent the details of our lead to our workflow, Pabbly captured the response, triggered the workflow, and further sent a channel message to our Discord. So this time we are not going back to our workflow and clicking on save and send test request. We'll directly go to our Discord and check that if we have received a new message or not. So I'm going to open my Discord. And yes, you can see, hello team, we have received a new lead from Instagram lead ads, name test user, email test@pabblytudes.com, the same phone number and the new company name has been sent as a message in our Discord too. This means that our workflow is successful. So I'll just summarize the workflow for you once. For our trigger application, we selected Instagram lead ads. For our trigger event, we selected new lead instant. And as you know that I'm running a draft campaign, this is not a live campaign. That's why I used lead ads testing tool to generate my lead. If you are running a live campaign, you are going to receive the response of your latest lead right over here. We selected the page and the lead gen form. We clicked on save and send test request. Pabbly captured the response and we moved on to our action step. For our action application, we selected Discord. For our action event, we selected send channel message. We connected our Discord account with our Pabbly's workflow by entering the webhook URL right over here. And then we entered the message, the bot name, and then we clicked on save and send test request. And as you can see, over here are the two messages we sent during this video. So if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. And for your reference, I'll just clone the workflow and share the workflow link in the description box. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly, you can integrate many more applications. So now, if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this website. And if you find our videos helpful, do like and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.